Kikubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
UN High Commissioner for Refugees Filippo Grandi hakas ngi palay ulapan bana batang hapo hinyaus ngi hado similian ngut lane si pholak ngut ki Briew ki Phet na Ukraine na markathma ngalatrai hai ki kam ki beyadei ba ka jing Phet wer ki Briew mentala sau phosnem henrei ngam ju kham yo I ya ka jing Phet wer ka bakloi hado ka ne man ka kenta man ka minute ki Briew ki lanang mi na lakari namar ka jing sheptin ya ki kam thombor Kidon bun ru ki balak kelap Phet hari lajong laong ugrandi ha ka jing pelat khubor. Ugrandi ulaong ru balada omla ban penkut no ya kani ka jing yaken an. Da ki pau milian ngut ki Briew kan sanang mi shu na Ukraine. Shushu ulaya thu bahapo Ukraine kinong tray ka UN High Commissioner for Refugees bat ki weipan. Kia tray ha kinu ki jaka ki bakila hapadeng ka jing sherkhay jong ka jing long jing man. Ulaong bagi nong tray ki syong ki sakbet bat ki tray wat hapdeng ki jingma namar ki tep baki jing don kam jong kiri ki long ki bakraw wat hapdeng ki babun ki jinge ugrandi ulaong baki sorkar jong kiri bamarjan bat ki nong syong snong jong ki kila pedang sngow bha ya ki similan ngut ki Briew ki bala Phet wer nalor kata ulaong baka jing arap na ki wei pat kiri ka perthei kalong ka basyongkun Henry ugrandi ula banjur badon kam ban pensange no ya ka jingya set suloi bat ban ailat ya ki jingya kren yasung dei tang ka jingsok ka bala ban pensange no ya ka ni ka jingshem lanon.
In just 7 days 1 million people have fled Ukraine uprooted by this senseless war. I have worked in refugee emergencies for almost 40 years and rarely have I seen an exodus as rapid as this one. Hour by hour, minute by minute, more people are fleeing the terrifying reality of violence. Countless have been displaced inside the country. And unless there is an immediate end to the conflict, millions more are likely to be forced to flee Ukraine. Inside Ukraine, our staff and other humanitarians are working where and when they can, in frightening conditions. Our staff stay, even at great risk, because we know the needs in the country are huge. Despite the extraordinary pace and challenges, the response from governments and local communities in receiving this 1 million refugees has been remarkable. UNHCR staff have already surged throughout the region and are scaling up our protection and assistance programs for refugees in support of host governments. International solidarity has been heartwarming, but nothing can replace the need for the guns to be silenced, for dialogue and diplomacy to succeed. Peace is the only way to halt this tragedy.